XRP holders, what's really going on right now? Hey XRP holders, let's talk. There's a lot happening with XRP right now, and whether you're holding, trading, or just watching from the sidelines, this is the kind of update you don't want to miss. I've got patterns, key levels, indicators, and even a giveaway to share with you, so stay with me. And remember, this is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Always do your own research before investing. Right now, the overall crypto market is giving us some interesting signals. Bitcoin is stable with about an 8.3% upside. Ethereum is seeing around 1% gains. XRP, however, is pretty flat, currently down just 0.04%. Not a huge move, but what's forming underneath the surface could be important. On the hourly chart, we recently saw a quick 5% move over 5 days, followed by a sharp sell-off. Volume is picking up, and we're starting to see signals of another leg down. Let's break this down on the hourly and 4-hour time frames. XRP had a small breakout before selling off. We're now hovering right above a key trend line, and if we break below, this could lead to a significant drop. There's also a head and shoulders pattern forming. Left shoulder formed earlier. The head topped around $2.60. Right shoulder is building now, and if this plays out, we could see XRP fall back toward the $1.90 to $1.85 zone. If it breaks below $1.96, this could trigger a larger correction. That level is critical. It could either act as strong support or open the door to deeper downside. Bitcoin is showing a very similar structure. It's consolidating under key resistance, looks ready to break below trend support for the first time in months. If Bitcoin drops, expect altcoins like XRP to follow suit. So keep an eye on Bitcoin's 100K support level. It's crucial. XRP giveaway details. Now for something exciting. Let's talk XRP giveaway. Party Popper 4 lucky winners will each receive 250 XRP. That's 1,000 XRP total. All you need to do is 1. Sign up using the BTCC link in the description. 2. Deposit $500 USDT or more. 3. Make 5 trades between June 10th and June 30th. Once you're done, let me know in the Discord. You'll also get a free 1-month trial of my Patreon, including access to private Discord groups and TradingView indicators. So here's the bottom line. We're seeing bearish setups across XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. If XRP breaks below the $1.96 or $1.85 zones, prepare for further downside. If we bounce, especially around $1.96, we could push back above the $2 mark. Remember, volatility is high, sentiment is weakening, and even search interest in XRP is down. But in the long term, XRP still has strong fundamentals, especially once we get more clarity from the SEC case, which looks to be delayed again until August. Closing call. Let me know in the comments what you think will happen with XRP next. XRP. Technical analysis and market trends. XRP. Can it hold above $1.96, or is a crash coming? Deep dive into support levels, resistance zones, and what indicators are flashing. Head and shoulders pattern on XRP. What happens next? Explain the pattern, why it's important, and how to trade it. XRP versus Bitcoin. Which one will break first? Compare current price action and trends to see which asset might signal the next market move. Double bottom or dead cat bounce. XRP's next big move. Analyze potential reversal zones versus further downside continuation. Regulatory and legal developments. SEC versus Ripple. Delayed again. What it means for XRP price. Break down the latest legal delay and how it could impact short and long-term XRP value. Will XRP be declared a commodity? What that means for crypto. Dive into possible regulatory outcomes and how classification affects trading and adoption, community and sentiment. Why XRP holder sentiment is dropping, and what to watch instead. Analyze search trends, social engagement, and holder data. Is the XRP community losing faith or just waiting to strike? Explore psychological aspects of trading and long-term holding during sideways markets. Money with wings. Trading strategy and education. How to trade XRP in a bearish market. Simple strategy. Share basic TA setups, risk management, and stop-loss tips. How to spot a breakout on XRP before it happens. Teach viewers how to read trend lines, RSI, MACD, volume, etc. What the smart money is doing with XRP right now, look into whale wallet movements, exchange inflows/outflows, and on-chain analytics. Community engagement and growth, XRP giveaway. How to join and why I'm doing this. Make a video focused just on the giveaway, build hype, and explain how users can participate. My top 3 altcoins besides XRP for this market cycle. Broaden your reach while keeping XRP in the spotlight. White heavy checkmark if you found this helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll be watching these key levels very closely over the next few weeks, especially heading into July's CPI and PPI reports, which could shift the entire market. Until then, trade safe, stay sharp, and I'll catch you in the next video.